Mimi and Sasa Story House presents Pip's Town. Come and meet the neighbors. Good morning, Sunny Meadow. This is Pip's cozy little town. Come along, little friend. Let's meet the neighbors. Off we go. Knock, knock, knock. Who lives here? It's Baker Bea. Sniff, sniff. Fresh bread. Can you sniff too? Baker Bea bakes warm bread for the whole town. Always enough to share. Next door, something smells yummy. Knock, knock, knock. Who's this? It's Chef Pepe. Stir, stir, stir the pot. Now taste it. Mwah! Delicious. Chef Pepe cooks warm soup for hungry little tummies. Knock, knock, knock. Who lives here? It's Dr. Dot. She listens to your heart. Ba-dum, ba-dum. All better. Dr. Dot helps everyone feel well and brave. Knock, knock, knock. Who's this? It's Teacher Theo. 1, 2, 3. Come learn with me. Can you count with us? 1, 2, 3. Teacher Theo loves to read and learn with little ones. Knock, knock, knock. Who lives here? It's Firefighter Flo. Wee-oo, wee-oo. To the rescue. Firefighter Flo keeps all of Sunny Meadow safe and sound. In Sunny Meadow, when there's work to do, everybody helps. Neighbours brings the bread. Pepe brings the soup. Dot brings smiles. Theo brings a story. And Flo keeps everyone safe. Everybody helps. And look, a little welcome party. Just for you. All of Pip's neighbors together in the square. In Sunny Meadow, everybody helps. And everybody belongs. Let's count Pip's neighbors. 1. Baker Bea. 2. Chef Pepe. 3. Dr. Dot. 4. Teacher Theo. 5. Firefighter Flo. 5 wonderful friends. So many friends in one little town. Pip can't wait for you to know them all. Wave goodbye, everyone. See you very soon in Sunny Meadow. The end. Come back and visit Sunny Meadow again soon. Mimi and Sasa Story House presents Baker Bea's Big Bake. Good morning, Sunny Meadow. Baker Bea wants to bake warm bread for the whole town today. But oh, the flour jar is empty. Don't worry, Bea. Pip can help. Off goes Pip, down the lane all the way to the farm. Can you see the big red windmill? That's where the flour is made. Knock, knock. Who lives at the farm? It's Farmer Fran. Up with the sun, everyone. Listen to her friends. The cow goes moo. The sheep goes baa. And the little hen goes cluck, cluck. Can you make the sounds too? Fran fills Pip's little sack with soft white flour. Happy baking! Back to the bakery. Pour in the flour, a splash of milk, and stir, stir, stir. Round and round it goes. Now we make the dough. Pat it, and roll. Pat, roll. Can you pat the dough too? Squishy and soft. Now the dough needs a little rest to grow big and puffy. Shh, the bread is having a little nap. Let's wait, ever so quietly. And look, it's growing bigger and bigger. Into the warm oven they go. Wait for it. Ding! Sniff, sniff, fresh bread. Can you smell it? Warm and golden. Look how many. Let's count the loaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 warm loaves. Enough for everyone. Now for the best part, sharing. A loaf for Fran, a loaf for Dr. Dot, for Chef Pepe, and for Firefighter Flo. Always enough to share, says Bea. In Sunny Meadow, everybody helps. What a lovely, busy day. Warm bread, good friends, and a little duckling who helped. Thank you, Pip. See you soon in Sunny Meadow. The end. Come back to Sunny Meadow again soon. Mimi Sasa Story House presents Dr. Dot Makes It Better. Oh dear, Bruno the bear isn't feeling his best today. A sniffly nose, a sleepy droop. Achoo! Don't worry, Bruno. Pip knows just who can help. Let's go! Knock, knock. Who can make it better? It's Dr. Dot. Come in, she says ever so kindly. Let's take good care of you, Bruno. First, Dr. Dot listens to Bruno's heart. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Can you put your hand on your chest? Can you feel your heartbeat too? Ba-dum, ba-dum. What a strong, healthy heart. Now, a big, brave breath. Breathe in, slowly. And breathe out. Ah. One soft little plaster. There. All better. Bruno, you were so brave. And for furry friends, there's someone special too. Knock, knock. Who's this? It's Dr. V, the animal vet. Let me listen. All healthy, she says softly. Dr. V is ever so gentle. A soft check of his paws, a little cuddle. Gentle does it, says V. Her puppy gives Bruno a friendly nuzzle. Bruno feels better and better. Hooray! Bruno is all better now, and oh so brave. A big thank you hug for Dr. Dot. And for Dr. V. Being brave is easy when kind friends help. In Sunny Meadow, when you're feeling poorly, everybody helps you feel better. A listen, a plaster, a gentle cuddle, and a great big dose of kindness. Feel better soon, little friends. Wave goodbye to Dr. Dot and Dr. V. See you next time in Sunny Meadow. The end. Come back to Sunny Meadow again soon. Mimi Sasa Story House presents Firefighter Flo to the rescue. Oh no! Coco the kitten was flying her bright red kite. When, whoosh, it floated up, 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 and got stuck high in the big oak tree. I can't reach it, says Coco sadly. Don't worry, Coco. Pip knows just who can help. Wee-oo, wee-oo! Here comes the big red fire engine. Can you say it with me? Wee-oo! It's Firefighter Flo. Did somebody need a rescue? I'm on my way. But first, let's be safe. Here is Officer Ollie. He plays the stop-and-go game. Hand up! Stop! Wait, wait! Now, tweet, go! Can you stop and go? Hooray, everyone is safe. Now up goes the ladder. Click, click, click. Taller and taller. Firefighter Flo climbs ever so carefully. Slow and steady, says Flo. Safety first. Up she goes, toward the little red kite. Reach. Steady. Can you help her reach? Reach. Steady. Got it! Firefighter Flo lifts the red kite free. Hooray! Down she climbs, safe and sound. Here you are, Coco, says Flo, handing back the kite. Coco gives it a great big happy hug. Thank you, Firefighter Flo. What a brave, kind rescue. A great big thank you for Firefighter Flo. And for Officer Ollie, too. Flo helped reach. Ollie kept everyone safe. When friends work together, the job gets done. In Sunny Meadow, when something goes wrong, everybody helps. A wee-oo, a stop and go, a careful climb, and a whole lot of teamwork. Stay safe, little friends. Wave goodbye to Firefighter Flo and Officer Ollie. See you next time in Sunny Meadow. The end. Come back to Sunny Meadow again soon. Mimi and Sasa Story House presents Market Day in Sunny Meadow. Ding ding! Here comes the little round bus, all the way to Market Day. Wheels on the bus go round and round, sings bus driver Bo. Climb aboard, little Pip, all aboard. Round and round go the wheels. Ding ding goes the bell. Can you turn the big wheel with Bo? Round and round. Out the window, look, the market square all ready for the fun. Hello, Market Day. So many stalls to see. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 busy little stalls. What shall we find first? First, Baker Bea's bread stall. Sniff, sniff. Fresh bread. Warm and golden, just for you, says Bea. Can you sniff the lovely bread? Next, Chef Pepe's yummy soup. Stir, stir, stir. Taste it. Mwah! Delicious, laughs Pepe. Can you stir the pot with Pepe? Round and round. Mwah! Then, Teacher Theo's flower and story stall. Pretty flowers and lovely books. 1, 2, 3. Come look with me, says Theo. So many colors to see. And listen, what's that lovely sound? It's Happy Melody, the music maker at the bandstand. La la la, sing with me, she sings, squeezing her accordion. La la la. Now everyone joins in. Bo and Bea, Pepe and Theo, and Melody too. La 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 la. Clap your hands and dance with Pip. What a happy musical market day. In Sunny Meadow on market day, everybody sings together. A ding-ding, a sniff, a stir, a song, and a whole square full of friends. Wave goodbye, everyone. The end. Come back to Sunny Meadow again soon. Mimi Sasa Story House presents Meet the Town. Welcome to Sunny Meadow. So many kind friends live here and help every day. Let's meet them all and sing a little hello for everyone. Ready? Here are the yummy food friends. Baker Bea bakes the bread. Sniff, sniff, fresh bread. And Chef Pepe makes the soup. Stir, stir, taste it, mwah! Bea and Pepe, yum, yum, yum. Bread and soup for everyone. Meet the kind doctors. Dr. Dot listens to your heart. Badum, badum, all better. And Dr. V helps the animals. Gentle does it, all healthy. Dr. Dot and Dr. V, they take care of you and me. These friends keep us safe. Firefighter Flo comes to the rescue. Wee-oo, wee-oo. And Officer Ollie helps us cross. Stop and go. Tweet. Flo and Ollie, brave and true, keeping safe for me and you. Time to learn and sing. Teacher Theo loves books. 1, 2, 3, come learn with me. And Melody makes music. La la la, sing with me. Theo and Melody, read and sing, hooray, hooray. Out and about, Farmer Fran wakes the farm. Moo, ba, cluck. And bus driver Bo drives the bus. Wheels go round, ding, ding, all aboard. Fran and Bo, off we go, round the farm and to and fro. Wave hello to all these lovely friends. Bea, Pepe, Dot, and V, and Theo too. The whole town says hello to you. And these wonderful helpers too. Flo, Ollie, Fran, Bo, and Melody. In Sunny Meadow, everybody helps, you see. The end. Come back to Sunny Meadow and sing again soon.